Welcome. This video is about how selling anything to anyone online is ABC easy.
You are going to love this video, so be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel so we can let you know when new videos are published.
You are about to see a 3-step online sales process that can change your online future, a simple formula that you can use for squeeze pages, short posts, social media posts, landing pages, emails, free ads, paid ads, and more. All you need to remember is A, B, and C. The ABC formula is a shortened version of the AIDA formula, a proven online sales formula. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. The AIDA and ABC formulas are two of the most powerful online sales formulas, because they work. The ABC formula, A stands for attention, B stands for because, C stands for call to action. When you or I make a post or video online, there is a reason for us making that post. If we are in the business of making money online, our reason usually involves getting our readers or viewers to take action, which is where our close or call to action comes in. We are beginning with our call to action because that is really what everything is about, and when you create your ads or posts with a result, CTA, in mind, your results improve. Asking or telling our visitors or viewers to take action is essential, so be sure to include this step. However, create a CTA that is a simple and natural next step. The A stands for attention. We need to grab attention. When we do grab attention, our chances of conversions, getting people to take action, can skyrocket. When we do not grab attention, no one reads our posts or watches our videos. Since grabbing attention is a must, here are some of the ways that you can grab attention. Emotions, inspire emotion or create an emotional response. Questions engage our brains. Unknown, new, we are drawn to new or unknown. Contrast, our brain is attracted to contrast. Contrast works with text, but it works best with images. Common contrast examples are before and after, such as weight loss or 0 subs versus 1,000 subs. Logic and patterns, our brain will follow a logical progression or pattern. Fun, make it fun or funny and people will pay attention. Curiosity is a strong motivator and, thus, a great attention grabber. Need, desire, and problem, typically your affiliate product or service fills a need, satisfies a desire, or solves a problem, so you can identify it as part of your headline. Other attention-grabbing tricks are heavy text, images, exact match, and benefit. Artificial intelligence. There are many free artificial intelligence title generators or headline generators that will do an amazing job of helping you to grab attention. Above is one from Headline Studio, which is CoSchedule. Type in what your attention grabber is about, choose how you will be using it, and the software will come up with several attention grabbers to choose from. Most free versions will generate from 3 to 7 attention grabbers. B is for because. The B in the ABC formula is your bridge to your call to action. You have 1 or 2 lines of text and that text says that you said what you said in your attention grabber because. Your because is typically making your visitor aware of a benefit that your affiliate product or service can provide, and that this is what to do next, which is the CTA. Images are automatic attention grabbers, especially if they are different. The fun images above are free from a site called Pixabay. You can use Pixabay images as your own, you can modify them, you can use them commercially, and there is no need for attribution. To add text to images, you can use Paint, which is free and should already be installed on your laptop or computer. You can also use a site called Canva, which is free. Canva has the power to turn you into an artist. The ABC formula is what the pros are using because it works. In fact, it should surprise you as to how well it works, right from the start. As you gain experience, it will work even better. I mentioned what is called exact match. Exact match is an SEO trick that you can use as part of your attention grabber. For example, your service or product preceded or followed by the name of a nearby city or the words near me. Caring Veterinarian Atlanta or Atlanta Veterinarian with all 5-star reviews. This surprise dog is different and will help grab attention, and the ABC formula is new or unknown to most people, so it creates curiosity. The attention-grabbing text is a question, the because states a huge benefit, and the call to action is laid back and tells your visitor to continue. Give the ABC formula a try, you will be glad you did. What you are seeing is a real example of the ABC formula in action.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and consider joining the channel so that we can let you know when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and much success!